For more than 3 decades, one compact handgun has dominated the conversation: the Glock 19. Police departments adopted it. Military units trusted it. Concealed carriers carried it everywhere. If someone asked what compact defensive pistol to buy, the answer was almost automatic: just get a Glock 19. Reliable, durable, proven. But here's what's changed in the last few years. The rest of the industry caught up. Modern handgun manufacturers studied the Glock formula carefully: polymer frames, striker-fired simplicity, lightweight construction, and then began improving the areas where shooters quietly wished Glock had evolved faster. Better ergonomics, better triggers, better optics integration, more modular designs, and today, several pistols are not just competing with the Glock 19. In some areas, they're outperforming it. This doesn't mean the Glock 19 suddenly became a bad pistol. It's still one of the most reliable handguns ever made. But the handgun world in 2026 is far more competitive than it was 10 or 15 years ago. So today we're breaking down 5 pistols that are beating the Glock 19 right now, not based on brand loyalty or internet hype, but based on engineering improvements, real-world performance, and what shooters are actually choosing when they compare platforms side by side. Let's take a look. Sig Sauer P320 Compact. One of the most serious challengers to the Glock 19 is the P320 Compact from Sig Sauer. When the P320 was introduced, it brought something new to the striker-fired pistol market: true modularity. Instead of the serialized component being the frame, the P320 uses a removable stainless steel fire control unit. This allows shooters to change grip modules, slide lengths, and configurations without purchasing a completely new firearm. For shooters who want one platform that can adapt to different roles — concealed carry, duty use, or range training — this flexibility is extremely appealing. The P320 also offers ergonomics that many shooters find more natural than the Glock grip angle. The trigger brake tends to feel cleaner, and factory optics-ready slides are widely available. Another factor that significantly boosted the P320's reputation was its adoption by the U.S. military as the M17 and M18 service pistol. That level of institutional validation helped cement the platform as one of the most serious competitors to Glock's dominance. Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 Compact. Another pistol that frequently beats the Glock 19 in direct comparisons is the M&P 2.0 Compact from Smith & Wesson. The original M&P line was already popular with law enforcement agencies, but the 2.0 generation introduced major improvements. The grip texture became significantly more aggressive, improving control under recoil. The frame design also allows interchangeable backstraps that help accommodate different hand sizes. Perhaps the biggest improvement was the trigger system. Earlier M&P pistols were criticized for vague trigger breaks, but the updated trigger design offers a more defined wall and crisper break. Optics-ready versions of the M&P 2.0 are also widely available, making it easy for shooters to mount red dot sights without aftermarket slide milling. For many shooters who compare the M&P 2.0 Compact directly with the Glock 19, the deciding factors often come down to ergonomics and trigger feel. Walther PDP Compact. If there is one pistol that consistently surprises shooters when they handle it for the first time, it's the PDP Compact from Walther. Walther designed the PDP around modern shooting trends, particularly the widespread adoption of pistol-mounted red dot optics. The slide features aggressive serrations and a deep optic cut that allows easy mounting of various red dot systems. But what truly sets the PDP apart is the trigger. Walther's trigger system is widely regarded as one of the best factory striker-fired triggers available. The break is crisp, the reset is short, and the overall feel is noticeably refined compared to many competitors. The grip ergonomics also stand out. Walther invested heavily in shaping the grip to provide a natural pointing angle and excellent recoil control. Shooters who test the PDP next to a Glock 19 often notice immediately how different the trigger feels, and for many, that difference alone makes the decision. CZ-P10C. The P10C from Česká zbrojovka was designed specifically to compete with the Glock 19 in the compact defensive pistol category. CZ approached the design with a focus on ergonomics. The grip contour and undercut trigger guard allow shooters to achieve a high grip on the pistol, which can improve recoil control. The trigger system offers a relatively crisp break compared to many striker-fired pistols, and the frame texture provides excellent traction without being overly abrasive. Another advantage is the low-bore axis relative to the shooter's hand position, which can help reduce muzzle rise during rapid fire. For shooters who appreciate CZ's reputation for accuracy and craftsmanship, the P10C offers a striker-fired alternative that competes directly with Glock's flagship compact model. Canik TP9 Elite Combat. The TP9 Elite Combat from Canik has gained significant attention among shooters looking for strong performance at a competitive price point. What sets this pistol apart is the value it offers relative to its features. The trigger is widely praised for its clean break and short reset, making it one of the more enjoyable striker-fired pistols to shoot. The pistol often comes optics ready from the factory and includes upgraded components that many manufacturers offer only as aftermarket accessories. The grip ergonomics are also well designed, providing a comfortable shooting platform that works for a wide range of hand sizes. For shooters comparing pistols purely on performance and features, the TP9 Elite Combat frequently stands out as an option that delivers impressive capability without requiring significant upgrades. Why the Glock 19 still matters. Even with all this competition, the Glock 19 remains one of the most respected pistols in the world. The platform's reliability record is unmatched. Its simplicity makes it easy to maintain, and its enormous aftermarket support means owners can customize the pistol almost endlessly. Millions of shooters still trust it as their primary defensive firearm. But the reality of the modern handgun market is that shooters now have more excellent options than ever before. And when competition improves across the board, even the most dominant platform must share the spotlight. The Glock 19 didn't become legendary by accident. It earned that reputation through decades of reliability, simplicity, and real-world performance. But the handgun market in 2026 looks very different from the market Glock originally dominated. Manufacturers like Sig Sauer, Smith & Wesson, Walther, CZ, and Canik have developed pistols that compete directly with the Glock 19. And in some areas, they push the design forward. Better triggers, more ergonomic grips, more seamless optics integration, more modular configurations. For many shooters today, the question isn't whether the Glock 19 works. It's whether something else works better for them. And in a competitive market full of strong designs, that's exactly the kind of question that keeps firearm innovation moving forward.